Are you an aspiring writer? Or are your writing skills exemplary? Alam mo ba na pwedeng-pwede mong pagkakitaan yung skill mo when it comes to writing? Yes, you can definitely express your passion when it comes to writing and start publishing your own stories. And at the same time, you can earn by just staying at home and just using your phone or any other device to write your own stories. Para sa ating mga aspiring writers or sa mga viewers na may passion when it comes to writing, let me share with you guys a platform from which you can earn by just writing stories online using your phone. In this video, we'll talk about this website, the requirements and qualifications, the sign-up process, what stories can you write on this platform, pag-uusapan din natin yung payment and mode of payment. If you're interested to know more, please stay with me up until the end of this video. Don't skip any part of it para wala kang ma-miss. Hi again everyone, my name is RJ. Kamusta na kayo? So para sa mga bago pa lang dito sa aking channel, we upload videos about work from home and earn from home tips. Kaya naman kung interested ka sa mga ganitong videos, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell para updated ka lagi tuwing may bago tayong video. So let's go straight sa ating topic, which is how can we earn by writing stories online using our phone. So the website guys na gustong i-share sa inyo is called Story Writing. Story Writing is a well-suited platform for writing, managing, and publishing stories. They have served more than 150,000 books to reach over 20 million readers. While just staying at home, you can get a stable income by writing. Also, you have the opportunities to get your stories published into hard copies, adapted into interactive stories, and heard as audiobooks. So yan, if you are looking to jumpstart your career as a writer, you can definitely do this online, guys. So, ano ba yung mga requirements and qualifications to be part of story writing? You need to have a smartphone, a tablet, laptop, or PC, or any other device. You need to have your stable internet connection. You also need to have a PayPal account, Payoneer account, or a bank account for payment. Of course, guys, kailangan may passion ka when it comes to writing. But don't worry if you are just starting your writing career. Kung marami ka pang tanong sa isip mo kung paano ka magsisimula as a writer, it's not a problem guys kasi meron silang free trainings when it comes to being a writer. You can definitely attend to all these trainings totally for free. So wala kang babayaran. So paano ba mag-sign up dito kay Story Writing as an online writer? So, sobrang dali lang mag-sign up for an account, guys. Kailangan mo lang gumawa ng account sa website nila or you can also download the application. Yung app nila, Story Writing, is available for both Play Store and App Store. So, pwedeng-pwede nyo yan i-download, guys. And you can also use your phone to sign up for an account. You can sign up using your Google account or your social media account or email accounts. So, for you to start writing your own stories, once mag-sign up ka na, you just need to click dun sa create button to start writing your own stories. You need to fill out the information about the book that you will be writing. And to manage your stories, you can click on My Stories to edit or manage all of your written stories. Tapos dito guys, you can also apply for a contract for a steady stream of income dito kay Story Writing. You can directly apply for a contract with Dreamy. So si Dreamy is one of their reading platforms. And here are the steps guys to apply for a contract with Dreamy. So you need to sign up for an account. So after that, yun nga yung create button to start uploading your book. And then kapag yung book mo na sinimulan is nag-exceed na ng 3,000, you can click on the apply for contract button and fill in the information. After applying for a contract and filling out those information, re-review nila yan and then one of the editors will be in touch with you for the results. So ngayon, ano ba yung mga stories na pwede mong isulat dito kay Story Writing? So definitely any topic will work, guys. But of course, like any other companies, they have guidelines when it comes to writing. There are standards that you need to follow and there are things that you also need to avoid. So they do have the content guidelines page. Before you start writing your own story, please make sure na basahin muna yung content guideline para align siya doon kung ano yung mga standards ni story writing. So this is the content guideline page that they have. So make sure to read all of this. For the contents that you need to avoid, syempre guys, bawal dito yung mga sexual content, violence, murder, bullying, hate speech, dangerous products, or any sensitive topics. So make sure to avoid those kind of topics. So now guys, let's talk about the payment and mode of payment. These are the benefits that you can get as a story writer. So ganito guys yung mangyayari when it comes to writing your own stories. For every signed story, you can get up to $50 for new story bonus. So for a signed story, it should be 30,000 words. Tapos, if you keep updating your story, you can get $150 daily update bonus every month. And when you finish your story, you can also get to have your completion bonus, which is $150 for up to 299,999 words. And for stories above 300,000 words, you can get $500 for your completion bonus. Pero guys, that's not the end. You can get the chance for your stories to be published, to be adopted, and then for you to be promoted. Those are the perks that you can get when it comes to writing your stories as a story writer. Pero guys, if you are really an expert when it comes to writing, you can definitely earn more money by joining their contest. So dito guys, if you click on contest, lalabas na lahat ng available contest dito kay story writing. So meron diyang in progress and meron naman mga tapos na. Let's try to check this one, Dreamy Love Story Contest. So dito guys, you can definitely join this contest by writing love stories. And you can win up to $219,000, wherein yung top prize na makukuha is $60,000. Tapos, ito yung mga pwedeng mapanalunan. $60,000 for the Superstar Award or the Champion. For the second prize, it's $40,000 For the third prize, it's $20,000 For the fourth to fifth price, it will be $10,000 and $6,000 for the 6th to 10th placer. So yan, they will select 10 writers to win on this competition. Ito naman guys yung steps on how you can join this contest. So kailangan mo lang mag-create ng story mo sa story writing account mo. You can do it on your phone or on your laptop. Then you can tag the story with hashtag #DreamyWritingMarathon _love story contest. Kapag nag-exceed ka na sa 3,000 words, click mo yung apply for contract option. So ayun guys, aside from the regular earning na makukuha mo as a writer by writing your stories online kay story writing, you can definitely earn much more money by joining their competition. For the payment method guys, like what I mentioned earlier, it will be through PayPal, Payoneer, or bank transfer. So yun yung mga gustong i-share sa inyo today guys when it comes to story writing. Sa mga may access lang using phone, and if you have your passion when it comes to writing, you can definitely do this. So sobrang ganda ng opportunity na to guys kasi you're doing what you love, you're starting your writing career, you're writing your own stories. At the same time, kumikita ka rin while doing so. So if you think that this is for you, please don't miss this chance. Start creating your account with story writing. Start writing your own stories and start earning with them. If you have any questions, reactions, or content suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. And also guys, don't forget to like this video. Share nyo na rin to sa inyong mga friends, family, or relatives na mga magagaling magsulat or may passion when it comes to writing. Baka ito na yung hinahanap nila or baka ito na yung para sa kanila. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel, please consider subscribing. Click the notification bell na rin para updated ka sa mga next videos natin about work from home and earn from home tips. I will see you again guys next week for more videos. Bye for now!